Hi guys, Malay Sharma this side. Today I am just here to give answer of a single question, that does affiliate marketing require any investment? I hope that this question will be in your mind if you want to start the affiliate marketing. As I before I start my affiliate marketing career, I am also confused about the same question, that does it require an investment. So today I'm just going to give the answer of this question. If you also are finding answer for the same question, then stay tuned with us. Today I'm going to answer this question. Okay, my name is Malay Sharma, a 24-year-old thin guy. I have lovely parents who always fight with me for myself, and I have a lovely brother. I am an affiliate marketer who turned to an YouTuber now, a football lover, and a sports enthusiast. I just want to help the people who wants to start their online journey, who wants to learn how to earn online. So if you are here to start your online journey, then stay tuned with us. And if you want to start your online business, just message me or WhatsApp on the number 8875603407. Okay, let's start the video. As the question is there any investment in starting the affiliate marketing business? So I just want to answer shortly that yes, it requires the investment. अगर हिंदी में कहूँ तो हाँ, रिक्वायरमेंट होती है इन्वेस्टमेंट की अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने में. अब ये बताऊँ, if I explain why does it requires investment, or why you can't directly start the affiliate marketing business without investment, then I just want to say that if you start any type of business, maybe online or maybe offline. Online, if we see, there are different business models like drop shipping or ebook selling or anything XYZ. There are many business models. So in affiliate marketing, we require investment, not specifically in generating any product or in shipping any product. We require investment for the running of advertisement, for learning purposes, for mentorship. Because without mentorship and without learning any skill, we can't grow. As we see in on YouTube or on websites, that any person had earned $500 a month or $1,000 a month or $50,000 a month. They doesn't got it in a single month. They have the past experience, they have worked for many years, they have learned from many people, they have invested much amount in their advertisement, paid advertisements. So the point is that yes, it requires investment. As I am an affiliate marketer, I had so many people who ask me that does it require investment to start the affiliate marketing. We cannot start our business without any investment. I just suggest them, if you want to earn a good amount of money, for example 50,000 rupees in Indian rupees, 50,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees a month, then you have to give an initial investment to start. Because if you are taking it as your full career or even if a side hustle, then also you have to learn. So the investment is mainly in advertisement, paid advertisements. If you want to make successful sales, then you definitely require some investment for running ads and learning purposes. So let's say if you want to drop your job and continue as an affiliate marketer, or if even you want to do it side hustle, then you will require a website. You need to run some ads on social media like Facebook, Instagram, or Google or YouTube, anywhere you want to. That requires investment. If you are working as an affiliate on Amazon also, then also it requires the investment. So In short, if you do and if you promote any digital product or any physical product, it will require some little or more. Maybe it can be $5 or $5,000 or $500, but it will requirement initial investment for promoting your product. And even if you are promoting your brand, you are building your personal brand, then also it requires some or the other investment. Okay, that's something about investment in affiliate marketing. But I just want to add one more thing here, that if you want to learn how to grow organically on social media, how to grow your business organically on social media, then just message WhatsApp me on 8875603407. I help people to grow organically online. I help people to get 15 to 20 leads daily, and I help people to earn online a great amount of money. So just WhatsApp me if you also want to learn and earn with us. I want to add one more thing, that if you are new to the channel, then just please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell, like, share and comment. Share to the people who needs it. Okay, bye.